This piece of paper can be the key to your family's future, a foundation for your dreams, or it can be a worthless piece of paper that represents thousands, even millions of shillings lost. Land fraud in Kenya is a massive problem, estimated to be a 60 billion shilling a year industry. But here's the good news. It is almost entirely preventable. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step checklist that will protect your money and ensure the land you buy is legitimate. Your first step is the site visit. And I don't just mean a quick drive-by to see the plot. You need to get out of the car and walk the land. But more importantly, you need to talk to the people. Talk to the neighbors. Ask them, who is the real owner of this land? Are there any disputes or boundary issues you know of? An afternoon of conversation can save you years of expensive court battles. Look beyond the beacons and understand the community you're buying into. Step 2 is your most powerful tool against fraud. The official government search on the Ardhisasa portal. For about 500 to 550 shillings, you can get a definitive answer on who owns the land. Here's how you do it. Go to ardhisasa.lands.go.ke. You'll need the title number from the seller. Enter it, pay the fee, and get the search report. Now, this is critical. The name on that search result must exactly match the seller's national ID. No variations, no excuses. If the names don't match, walk away. It's a massive red flag. Next, you need to check for unpaid land rates. If the current owner has outstanding rates, that debt can become your responsibility once you buy the land. You can verify this at the local county government office for the area where the land is located. They will issue a land rates clearance certificate. This simple step can save you thousands of shillings in inherited debt. The beacons on the ground are just part of the story. You need to confirm they match the official map. To do this, you must hire your own independent surveyor. Do not use the seller's surveyor. A professional surveyor will cost you between 20,000 and 80,000 shillings depending on the size and location of the land, but their report is invaluable. They will verify the boundaries and ensure the plot you're buying is the correct size and in the correct location. This prevents future disputes with your neighbors. Finally, the sale agreement. This is not a document you download from the internet or a template you get from a friend. You need a qualified property lawyer to draft a sale agreement that protects you. Budget between 20,000 and 100,000 shillings, or 1 to 2% of the property's value, for a good lawyer. This is not an expense to skip. Your lawyer will conduct their own due diligence, draft a protective agreement, and ensure the title transfer is done correctly. And let me be clear, never use the seller's lawyer. Always hire your own independent representation. So, let's recap the critical mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Never pay in cash. Always use traceable bank transfers to the official owner's account. Number 2. Don't trust the seller's team. Hire your own independent lawyer and surveyor. Number 3. Resist pressure. Scammers create false urgency. Take your time. Number 4. For our diaspora buyers, never buy land without a trusted representative physically visiting it for you. Number 5. Take rumors seriously. If you hear about disputes, investigate them thoroughly. Buying land is likely the biggest investment you will ever make. Don't let it become your biggest regret. Follow these steps to protect your hard-earned money. If this guide was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone you know who is thinking of buying land.